Ellsbury from Acrylic Art Paintings. Welcome to my channel. Now this video is a very special one for me, and I want to share it with you because you are an essential part of it. As you can see, we're almost at the 10,000 subscribers. For me, you're not subscribers. For me, you are an essential part of my art family. Every time I come to YouTube, it's like coming to my internet home where I know that my friends are. It has been 2.5 years and it has not been easy. During this time, we were able to create our Facebook page, and I want to thank those ones who have been with me since the beginning. I want to thank Jackie Cubillos from Chile, Lady from Peru, Mary from Argentina, Yolanda from Spain, and so many of you who have been with me since the beginning and have been part of this journey. And a special thanks to Miakoda Winds. She is pretty much the reason why I am here today, because she believed in me when I didn't even know where the camera pinhole was. Another special person in my life who I owe this beautiful community is, of course, the mother of acrylic pouring, Annmarie Ridderhof. Thank you, Annmarie. Look, you know, when I didn't even know what I was doing, you encouraged me, and here I am because of you. Thank you so much. As part of this milestone in my life, I want to give $30 to the subscriber number 10,000. In order to do that, I need a picture because there's gotta be only one, and I need a picture of the 10,000 subscriber right here, and email it to my email, acrylicartpaintings@gmail.com, and we're gonna go from there, either through PayPal or Western Union. And I just wanted to thank you all and say that my life would not be the same without you. Until next time, keep painting.